The way we work is changing, fast. Gone are the days when a job title defined a person's value. Today, it's all about skills. A skills-based organization, or SBO, gets this. It throws out the old rule book and says, show us what you can do. Think of it like a tech upgrade for your company's brain. SBOs use technology, like AI-powered talent intelligence platforms. These platforms help identify, track, and develop the critical skills that drive success. This isn't just about ticking boxes on a resume. It's about understanding the unique talents within a workforce and unleashing their full potential. This shift benefits everyone. Employees gain clarity on career paths and opportunities for growth. Managers get the insights they need to build high-performing teams, and the organization as a whole becomes more agile, innovative, and ready to tackle the challenges of a rapidly evolving world. In an SBO, employees aren't stuck in a job title box. They are empowered to continuously learn and grow. Imagine a world where your career path isn't linear, but a dynamic journey of skill development. Talent intelligence platforms like DevSkiller help make this a reality. They provide personalized recommendations for upskilling and reskilling, ensuring that employees are always ahead of the curve. This approach fosters a culture of ownership and engagement. Employees aren't just cogs in a machine. They are active participants in shaping their own careers. They can see a clear path forward, knowing that their development is valued and supported. Managers hold a critical role in any organization. In an SBO, their job becomes even more crucial, and thankfully, a whole lot easier. With talent intelligence platforms, managers have the insights they need to make data-driven decisions about talent acquisition, development, and deployment. Need to assemble a team with a specific set of skills? No problem. The platform can identify individuals within the organization who fit the bill. Want to ensure that your team is equipped for future challenges? The platform can recommend targeted training programs. This data-driven approach frees managers from guesswork, enabling them to optimize resource allocation, personalize employee development plans, and drive performance. It's about working smarter, not harder, and ensuring that every team member has the opportunity to shine. The beauty of talent intelligence platforms lies in their ability to connect the dots. They break down silos between HR, managers, and employees, creating a more transparent and collaborative environment. Imagine a world where everyone in your organization has a clear understanding of the skills needed to succeed and the pathways available to develop those skills. That's the power of an SBO powered by talent intelligence. This is not just about technology, it's about transforming the way we think about work. It's about creating a future where skills are the currency and everyone has the opportunity to reach their full potential. So, embrace the skills-based revolution and unlock a world of possibilities for your organization.